Hey folks, Matt at Central Georgia Marina. Let's talk about Excel shallow water F4 boats. I have them in 3 different models, 1651, 1751 camouflage, and a 1751 in regular green. These boats have really nice features. We want to talk about a few of the things that we ordered on these boats that some boats may not have, some boats may have them. First of all, they come with nice aluminum trailers. That's one thing that's standard on all of them. We did the front bow light. It's removable. We set them up for a trolling motor if you want to go fishing with it. This boat comes with a gun box, the gun tray. Does have some additional storage under the bow, rear storage, and has a live well. These boats handle anything you want to do. Probably put 3-4 people in it comfortable and go hunting it anytime you want to. Guys, all these boats come with tiller handle motors. One thing Excel does that's really cool, they make a breakaway plate right here. All you do is pull the pin, motor, if you hit something, will kick up and go from there. They have hunt decks on the back. We have this again, 3 models, camouflage, regular OD green, 16 foot or 17 foot. Guys, if you're looking for an Excel F4 shallow water boat, come see us at Central Georgia Marina, 478-474-9995, or visit us on the website, centralgeorgiamarina.com.